Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if print sharing is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to Category View, and then select Network and Internet. Now select View Network Status and Task. And now on the left side, select where it says Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And then you want to make sure File and Printer Sharing is toggled to the On position. And then once that's done, make sure Private Networks is set to the same. So make sure File and Printer Sharing is turned on as well. And then you can just close out of here. If you're still having an issue, you might want to open up the search menu and search for Services. Best match should come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate the print spooler service, so you either can just scroll down or start typing it into the results here, and right click on it and select properties. For startup type, make sure that's set to automatic, and if service status is running, go ahead and stop that. And then you want to select start, so just go ahead and restart it basically, and then select apply and OK. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And then I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point or issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.